What's up everybody? Today I'm doing a little impromptu video on how to build a boring bee trap. And no, not boring like sleep boring. Boring like Elon Musk tunnel digging boring. So these bees, they're carpenter bees, boring bees, something like that. They're building a little tunnel, a little hive behind this plywood here. And I tried living with them for a little bit. But not only are they just flying in and out through this door while I'm working in here, they're also damaging the side of my house. I'm not gonna pay to have them moved. I try to spray vinegar all over the place because that's the safe way to do it. I put like cucumber shavings, everything like that. Instead, I'm resorting to a boring bee trap. Guys, remember to subscribe and hit that like button down below. Let's get into it. This is really interesting. I have the boring bee trap here, and I've had this out for 3 weeks now, something like that. And there was soda and honey and all that in here. It's completely empty, and this must have just happened over the past week. But not only that, there was one bee in here. All the other bees, they're nowhere to be found. They just vanished as soon as I put this out here, which is weird. This isn't supposed to repel bees, but I'm kind of glad it did. But what's interesting is you can see the carcass of the bee, and a bunch of ants made it in there. So I killed a bunch of ants and only one bee, so I'm actually a little happy about that. And then I don't think it repelled them, but who knows where they went. So that's really all it takes to build one of these. I just did it real quick with a little 4x4 and a mason jar, a few screws, boom, done. Guys, I will see y'all on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I promise I love bees. It's time.